Hello my PC students. This is a continuation of where we left off on multiple sheets. We had done quarter 1, filled in all the values, did quarter 2, and we did quarter 3. Now when we get to quarter 4, I have already filled in the values because I thought there was no point taking any time. So I put these values in so you can put your values in. All I did was type them in. Okay, we have one thing left to do, and that's to do the summary sheet. So we're going to go to the summary sheet. Now I'm going to take your total and percent and drag them, remember my four-headed arrow, and drag them over to here. And plus I want to click in cell A2, press F2 to edit, and I don't want it to say quarter, I want it to say summary. Okay, so I put my caps lock on, summary. Whoa, why? Okay, I took my caps lock off. So now I want to pick up the totals, right? So what I want to do is that I want to put in an equal sign. And now I'm going to go to quarter 1, and I want to click in here where I have my total for quarter 1. Okay, there's my total for quarter 1. All right, and I'm going to put in another plus sign. And look up at the top here in the formula bar, and you see it says quarter 1 E10. Oh, I didn't want to take E10, so just a minute here. I'm going to take that out. I want to go to E5, so I'll start again here. Got my equals. I want to go to E5, the cat food. I got to take the total of the cat food. All right. Now plus, I want to go to quarter 2, and I want to take the total for the cat food. Plus, I want to go to quarter 3 and take the total for the cat food. And plus, I want to go to quarter 4. All right, and I want to click in E5, the total for cat food. So I don't want anything else. Quarter 1, E5, quarter 2, E5, quarter 3, E5, quarter 4, E5. So that's all the cat food, right? And press enter. And I get 35.45, which is right, and grab my fill handle and drag down. Okay, so therefore I have got now my total for dog food because it's E6, my total for flea products, my total for toys, and my total for treats. And if I drag down, I'll have my totals. So drag all the way to give me my total. All right, and so now I want to know what percent is the cat food as compared to the total sales. So equals, here's my total cat food as compared to means divide to the total, and the total has to be absolute. All right, grab your fill handle and drag down and put on your percent sign and 2 decimal places, and there's where your dog food, cat food, flea products, toys, and treats all have each different percentage. Now here we don't want your dollar sign, so we're going to right click, go to Format Cells and Accounting, and say no dollar sign. All right, so now you're all set up, and we want to save it. And from here on in, you could, what you can do, in fact maybe we should do this as a review for you. Click on quarter 1, hold down your shift key, and click on summary. All the sheets are grouped, right? So you're going to go to File, Print, and we want to, now first of all I got to make sure I got the right printer selected here. And page setup, what do we want first? Landscape, sheet, grid lines, row column headings. Header, footer, custom header, you want your name, okay? And remember, I always tell you to go shift home and use your font button here and choose about 16 or 20, it doesn't matter to me, maybe bold and italic. Choose a different font so that you try something that you're not used to, and choose a font color, anything goes. I'm going to choose red for myself and say okay. And we want the date and time, and here we want the sheet name, and we want to say page, spacebar OF, spacebar pages. All right, and here custom footer, and we want the path and file name. I'm not going to put in a picture because I'd have to put in 6 pictures, so I'm just going to leave that one blank for right now. Say okay and say okay. Alright, so there's 1 of 5, and if I go through them here, you see 2 of 5, 3 of 5, and you see the quarters changing each time. Okay, so that's how you would group your sheets to put on your headers and footers. Alright, when we come back, we're going to right click and say ungroup. Okay, so now go Control S to save, and we'll stop there.